understand what is, first we have to understand that what is factorial, right? So I have discussed in the lecture of first lesson in natural number that factorial n is defined by, suppose n is any integer, so factorial n is defined by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to 2 into 1 up to 1. We have to multiply uh, n into n minus 1 into up to 1. This is defined as a factorial n. Okay, now suppose factorial, we have to find factorial 6, right? So we can write 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? So this is defined as factorial, right? So we can write 5 factorial as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is a single factorial. Suppose 4 factorial is written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is single factorial, but we have to study about double factorial, right? So here there is difference of 1, only one difference, and n minus 1, there is difference of 1. In this term there is difference of 1, so there is a difference of just constant number which is 1. So double factorial, in the double factorial there will be difference of 2. Suppose 5 double factorial 5, so we write this as 5 into 3 into 1, right? Suppose 6 double factorial, so we will write 6 into 4 into 2. Okay, this is defined, this can in this way we can define 5 factorial, 5 double factorial and 6 double factorial. In the same way we can define any number of double factorial of any number, right? So here question is arising about, here question is arising that question is what will be n double factorial, right? So we have to find n double factorial, what will be the value of n double factorial, right? So come up, suppose in the first case, in the first case, if condition is that if n is even, okay, in the first case if n is even, if n is even, then what will be the value of n double factorial, right? So n double factorial value will be in term of n single factorial, right? So this value will be 2 to the power n by 2 into n by 2 to the factorial, right? This will be the result in term of single factorial, right? So this observation comes from, this observation comes from where we have just look at this result. I am explaining it. Okay, so 6 double factorial is written as, just like I have told that 6 into 4 into 2. So we can write as this one as 6 into 4 into 2. So this will be 6 will be 3 into 2, 4 will be 2 into 2, 2 in 2 will be 1 into 2. So this will become 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 factorial. So just assume that 8 double factorial, what will be the value of 8 double factorial? That will be 8 into 4 into 8 into 6 into 4 into 2. Okay, so this will be 8 is 8 can be written as 4 into 2, 6 can be written as 3 into 2, 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 will be can be written as 2 into 1. So 1 into 2, right? So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that can be written as factorial 4 into 1 2 3 4, 2 to the power 4. So this can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 4 factorial. So this power and this factorial is same. So this power and this factorial is same. I just look at, if we substitute the value, if we apply substitution, substitution, then what will be the substitution? So k n will be substituted by the value of 2k. Okay, n will be substituted as 2k, right? So factorial will become 2k factorial is equal to 2k double factorial. Okay, 2k double factorial value will be 2 to the power k into k single factorial. This will be the result in term of k, right, after substituting the value. Okay, so this will be in first case, right? Now coming to second case, in when n will be odd number, right? So in case of n will be odd number, we will discuss as a n will be odd, right? So look at this. If n will be odd, in the second case, suppose n will be odd, right? So case second, when n will be odd, n is odd, then n double factorial will be written as, can be written as in term of single factorial, n plus 1 times n plus 1 into single factorial upon divide by 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2 into n plus 1 by 2 of factorial. Okay, this will be the result of n double factorial when n is any odd number, right, in term of single factorial. Okay, so have a look at this result, have a look of at this result, just explaining from where this result has come. Okay, so if you observe, so suppose 5 double factorial, 5 double factorial can be written as 5 into 3 into 1, right? So this can be written as 6 into 5, 4 into 3, 2 into 1. So extra factor has come 6, 4 and 6, 4 and 2. So we have to decide with divide with 6, 4 and 2. So upper result will be in the numerator will be 6 factorial, divide by this can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 3 factorial. Okay, and suppose when n will be, suppose when n will be suppose 7, n is equal to 7, right? Suppose we have to write as a value is 7 double factorial. Okay, the value of 7 double factorial will be 7 into 5 into 3 into 1, right? So this can be written as we can multiply and divide with same number. Okay, so I have multiply 8 into 6 into 4 into 2, right, and divide with same number 8 into 6 into 4 into 2. So numerator will become 8 factorial and denominator we can common 2 in each factor, then 2 to the power 4 into remaining 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is written as factorial 4. So this can be written as 8 factorial by 2 to the power 4 into 4 factorial, right? So we can generalize this one as n double factorial can be written as, this is 7, so here is 8, this is 5 and here is 6, so here is n, so here will be n plus 1, and here is double factorial, and in the numerator is single factorial. So single factorial divided by here in the denominator this can be written as 2 to the power this one, 2 to the power numerator part by 2, 2 to the power numerator part by 2, the 2 to the power numerator part n plus 1 by 2 into this one ka factorial of this one. Okay, so this will be the result. Okay, so what will be the substitution in this case? While substituting in this case, so we know that n is odd in this case, so n can be written as 2k minus 1 plus minus 1. I can write 2k plus 1 also, but if I write n is equal to 2k minus 1, so if we put k is equal to 1, then n will also comes as a 1. That's why I take n is 2k minus 1. Okay, if we took as a n is 2k plus 1, then if k we put k is equal to 1, then n will become 3. So I have taken as 2k minus 1, right? So substitute this in the result. Okay, so what will be the result value? And double factorial can be written as here in the numerator n plus 1, n plus 1 factorial upon here is 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2 into n plus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay, so here this can be written n plus 1 can be written as 2k. So there here is 2k factorial divided by 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2 is written as k, 2 to the power k into k factorial. This is the result. This is the result in case of n is odd number. This is all about double factorial, right?